I swear, been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything with this. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. That's
Walang guard sa bata na nagtikla ng isang pagkita. So, yung bata, sana sinabihan niya lang at sinaway. Sana hindi niya tinadyakan. Ayun, viral na siya ngayon sa social media. Ayun guys.